Hey, John Crestani here, online marketer, tech entrepreneur. I'll be showing you how to get leads for your business. I'll be talking about what is lead generation. I'll be talking to you about how to generate leads and how you can make money off of this even if you don't have a business that requires new people in it. If you're just starting business, you can do lead generation for other companies. Now, I've done this and made millions of dollars as a marketer, and I'll be going over a few different examples of how companies do lead generation on the internet, as well as 6 different ways that you can generate leads for your small business, for your big business, for a client, or how you can do this on your own. And I'll be also addressing doing advertising for leads, which is what I've done and made millions of dollars doing. So we'll go over all of this in this video. If you're looking for a marketing wild ride and you get excited about marketing, you're gonna love this. Let's have some fun. Let's get into this. Let's get it. Now, lead generation is pretty simple. First off, what is a lead? A lead is somebody who is interested in purchasing your product or service, but they might require somebody to talk to them on the phone or in person or maybe via email or via chat. They aren't necessarily comfortable buying online, but they want to talk to somebody first. That's a lead, somebody who's interested. And what lead generation is lead generation is the act of finding people who are interested in a product or service and making sure they get in contact with them. Now, here's an example of a lead generation page for a doctor. As you see, it says, live pain-free, stop medicating, and then there is a form here where you can input your information on the internet and click that beautiful submit button right there to get somebody's information over to the doctor so they can sell you on a procedure or a surgery or a pill or whatever that is. Let's look at another example of a lead generation page. So here's a lead generation page for an insurance company. It says get instant quotes from professionals near you. And you can see, once again, you have some information you can fill out and a submit button, which you would submit. And when that button is submitted, the information right here goes over to the company and a salesperson can contact that person and figure out what insurance package is best for them and sell it to them. Here's another example for a lawyer. So it says the world's leading international law firm, and once again there's some information, fields you can fill out information, and a submit button. Now you might be wondering, why am I showing you all this? Well, lead generation is a huge industry. It's actually over $50 trillion. Most business is not done by buying things online. Most business is actually done with lead generation, with investment companies, with mortgage companies, with debt relief companies, with loan companies, with education companies, etc. All of these purchases are much bigger than just buying online. You don't buy a house by filling out information online. You buy it. It's an actual physical paperwork process. So a lot of these major transactions, they're done offline and you need to generate leads for them. And there's a huge amount of money if you're going into marketing doing it. Now, I got started working for an investment company. I was working for an investment company generating leads for them, and they would pay me $50 each time I found somebody and they filled in their information on this online form that was interested in getting an investment. And I would also get a bonus each time that lead became a deal. I'd make about $3,000 each time that lead became a deal. I was working as the director of marketing at the time in a large corporate firm. I was making about $6,000 a month. From doing lead generation independently for companies, I was able to increase my income to $25,000 to $50,000 per month. Quit my job, travel the world, buy a big house, all that jazz. And it's all because of learning how to generate leads for companies. Now, let me give you a few tips for how you can do lead generation, and then I'll go over how you can make money doing this. Now, there are lots of ways to find people who are interested in a product or service. There's a lot of ways to contact people on the internet. And the first tip I'm going to give you for prospecting is that one of the easiest things is actually just messaging people through direct messages. Now you can message people all sorts of different ways. Just look for a hashtag and oftentimes you can find a group of people who are interested in a particular subject. The next way to do lead generation is LinkedIn groups. Now LinkedIn groups, this is great for people who are professionals. Let's say you're selling software. Let's say you're selling heavy machinery. Let's say you're selling some sort of business related item. Most business is actually business to business. It's not business to consumer. So if you can go in LinkedIn groups and say you're looking for people who are interested in a CRM software, which is a multi-billion dollar industry. I think it's hundreds of billions. You can find people that are interested in them just by looking at LinkedIn groups, finding somebody who matches a particular job title or matches a particular company that you're trying to sell into. You can do all that just messaging people or posting in the groups themselves. And just like you can message people in LinkedIn groups for professionals, if you're selling a more consumer-oriented product such as mortgages or loans, personal loans, you can find people in Facebook groups. Don't be afraid to post in a group of people who are in debt and advertise your debt relief company. Very easy. The fourth tip is if you create your own blog or vlog, just kind of like I have a YouTube channel right here, you can post on your blog or vlog giving people information on how to get rid of their pain, right? So for people who are in pain, let's say you're a doctor, you can create a blog about how people can get rid of headaches or how people can get rid of upper back pain or facial pain or jaw pain. You can do videos on all of this stuff and post it on your own personal web properties on your blog or your vlog, and people will come to you. Now, the last two tips, this gives you a lot of places to post, okay? But to understand how to do this most effectively, you have to understand tips 5 and 6. And after I go over these two different tips, I'm gonna go over into some ways that you can actually make money with this knowledge, doing this for other companies. But it's important to understand what this is and how it works first. So targeting. Now, if I was advertising, let's say a doctor firm that helps people get rid of pain. If I'm advertising that, I would want to advertise to people who are in pain. And in order to target people who are in pain, because I'm not gonna make money. If I'm a doctor that gets people out of pain, I'm not gonna make money advertising or marketing or posting or messaging people who are not in pain. So how do I do that? Well, targeting is what I kind of mentioned earlier. Maybe the hashtag is I'm in pain, okay? Maybe you're finding a hashtag such as chronic pain, or hashtag surgery. Somebody who just got out of surgery or has surgery is probably in pain. So that could be your targeting. You just go on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook every day and look up these hashtags and message people. Now, tip number 6 is testing, okay? Now, what testing is it means that you're actually testing your message out. So in this example, let's say I'm messaging people who are in pain. I'm a doctor. I offer a pain relief solution. Now, I could test out different messages, okay? And this is where you win. I could start an opening line with, hey, are you in pain and are you interested in buying my thing? It helps people get out of pain. Check it out, okay? But that might not work that effectively because somebody who's in pain might be a little averse to you just immediately going in and selling them something. They might want a little more of a relationship. And typically lead generation, the reason why these major purchases such as a house or a mortgage or a loan, people want there to be some sort of relationship to the person that is handling their money. Usually it's large sums of money. If you're getting a loan comes with a lot of liabilities. If you work with the wrong person, they could just take away your house, they could take away your car, they could have, access to your bank accounts. So you want to work with somebody who you can trust. So maybe opening with just selling somebody something might not be the best approach. Maybe it is in some industries. But another type of message you could do is you could say, hey, I heard you're in pain. Where is your pain? Right? And you ask some questions. And you find that by connecting with people, a message that connects with the people in these hashtags might work better than actually just trying to sell them something. Could go both ways, but you don't know. I've seen both approaches work, but what you have to do is test. test. Now, my preferred approach to actually finding people who are interested in a company's product or service is actually doing advertising. And for 10 years, I've been doing advertising for companies that need more customers. And there's a lot of companies that need more customers. And what I've done is I've put up ads, targeted ads on Google, Facebook, and YouTube to connect with individuals who are potentially interested in working with mortgage companies, investment companies, doctors, etc., lawyers. And it's a very scalable way because unlike messaging, which takes your time and takes conversations, is that actually doing advertising, all the work's done for you. You just press go. If you want more leads, you just increase the amount of ads you send out. If you want even more leads, you just increase the number of ads and you just click a button. And I've been able to do this and make as much as $900,000 per month in my business. I average over $500,000 a month doing business online, sending leads to other companies. Let me tell you a little bit about advertising. Now, a few things to understand about advertising is, first off, it costs money. There's no way around that. So you're gonna have to spend money to really make money here, and it's kind of scary. If you're a business that has any sort of capital, you should invest in advertising, and it's a great way to scale your business. And that's actually what I teach in my training course, the Super Affiliate System. If you're looking to learn more about my 6-week training course where I teach people online advertising, you can check out the link in the description. Now, another thing about advertising is it takes time to learn. And as I said, I have a 6-week training course that teaches people this because it takes time to learn. It's scalable, meaning you can grow the amount of leads you bring into your business or the amount of leads you send clients like I do very fast. And by correlation, I can increase my income very fast once I have something that's profitable. So that's really great. And I have my income in my control because I just increase the amount of ads I put out, the leads I send to a business, which means the business will pay me more money. What's also great about advertising is you have leverage, okay? Advertising, it doesn't require your personal time to grow the advertising. So it's just a matter of finding the right messaging, putting that right messaging in front of the right market, and just managing your business from there. It's beautiful. Now, if you're interested in being like me and doing lead generation for a living for other businesses and having them pay you to put them in touch with people, let me tell you a little bit about that. And that's what I do. And what it's called is it's called affiliate marketing. It's called affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, I have other videos that go over this in more detail. But essentially, you will get paid anywhere from $5 a lead all the way up to, you can find programs that pay $50 just if you put up a link and somebody fills out an online form. No credit card information, no financial information, just filling out an online form with their name, phone number, email address, and maybe some other information. You can get anywhere from $5 to $50. As I told you, I've been doing this and making as much as $500,000, $900,000 a month. Now, there are a number of affiliate networks you can join to make money from, but the affiliate network I suggest, which there will be a link in the description, is called A4D, okay? A4D.com, and you can go to that website, you can check it out, you can sign up, and there's a link down in the description of this video where you can sign up. You'll actually have a better chance of getting accepted into this network if you sign up through my link. Now, a few things that companies like A4D are looking for in accepting people that work for them is, well, first off, let me go over what it works with. Any country, okay? So any country is accepted, and any age, okay? Any age is accepted. So you don't have to worry about being any particular age to make money. You don't have to worry about living or being a citizen of any particular country to make money. But what you do need to worry about is, are you focused, okay? Are you focused? What industry do you actually want to work in? You have to know what industry you want to work in if you actually want to make money, because most of these affiliate networks, they don't offer a lot of support. Again, they have Ads for Dough, maybe has 100,000 people that want to work with them. But the fact of the matter is, only about 0.1% of people produce all of their business. They're not going to give you a lot of time in teaching you how to do things. So you need to know what the actual industry is that you are going to be marketing. And if you need to choose an industry to market, what I would suggest is you just focus on the financial industry, okay? Financial industry, financial lead generation, and you focus on that at first. It's a great place to be. So I hope this video has been helpful. Make sure to leave any comments. If you like learning about marketing, if you love making money, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell so you can learn about all of the new videos I post up. Also, make sure you enable all notifications because I do live streams sometimes where I do question and answer sessions. I'd love to talk to you there. I'd love for you to be notified about that. And also feel free to join some of our communities. I have a few communities where we talk about marketing and making money and how to do it, right? And I want people interacting because I'm one person. I have like 1 million people watching this channel a month. So check it out. In the description, there's a Discord channel if you'd like chatting with people. There's a subreddit if you prefer to just kind of post in Reddit. And we have a Facebook group, which I encourage you to join. So all of these different avenues, feel free to get involved in the community. Feel free to check out some of my other videos about affiliate marketing and affiliate networks, top affiliate networks, and how to do it. And if you're looking for more ways to actually get people coming to your web forms like this, check out my free traffic videos where I talk about other ways of doing traffic generation so you can get people coming to your links. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and talk to you soon.